What's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing NFT project. So guys, basically I studied this project and looks to me there is lots of potential inside, so we decided to introduce this project in front of my community. So before I start explaining this project, let me tell you first that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own reach, study this project, take your time, and if you think it can generate best return, so you can join that. But my responsibility is to provide one of the most top listed projects on my channel that can give you a massive response in future. So guys, plenty of time left, and it's the best opportunity to jump in and join these projects. The links are there, and please don't miss to join the links because it's very important to join their community. And when you join their community, you will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news also. So it is all details is given, so I will provide you all the information step by step, and please don't miss any part of this project because it's very important to get all the information related to this project. So if you are new on my channel guys, please like and subscribe my channel. It's very important for you for upcoming videos notification, so you will get early notification related new and upcoming project. So here you can see the name of this project for westdigitalpro.com. So all the details is given. So I study this project briefly. They categorize in three steps. So here you can see there are different types. So you will see all the details. Here you can see the teams detail and percentages as you can see here. So I will provide you step by step all the information and guide you as I can. So you can see here the project description. So you can see here the chart and team. So all the details are available guys. Welcome to the West Digital. You can see it on the OpenSea. So let's see. We'll open the OpenSea link and see more information from here. So here you can see the contact address is available, and next you can see collected and offer made and deals. All the information is available here. You can connect your wallet also, and all the details is given from here. तो यहाँ से भी सारी information जो है वो आप ले सकते हैं. Okay guys, next we will scroll down a bit. So here you can see the project description. So description is available. You can study the description and get more information from here. Let me highlight this. So here you can see guys, आप इसकी पूरी information देख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे they provide all the information about their community and also their collections. So सारी information जो है आपको graphic designing की जो है वो भी आपको provide होंगे. So यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि collection offer जो है over 5000 NFTs जो हैं ये आपको जो है यहाँ पे available है, and each NFT represent exclusive and art of digital. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं carefully designed by the excellent graphic designers. तो बड़ी ज़बरदस्त जो है ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर से ये डिज़ाइन किया गया है. सो यू कैन स्टडी दैट एंड गेट मोर नॉलेज फ्रॉम हियर. So what kind of benefit this project has? Because all the project has a different type of benefits. So this project has a special benefit for you. If you study the benefit of this project, you will be surprised to see all the details. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. By joining us, you will have the opportunity to experience a number of exclusive benefits and unique values of make the collections and truly special. Our NFT give you the opportunity to own a unique digital piece. So you are getting a very unique digital piece, and it's the best time to grab that. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं each NFT represents a singular work for the digital content, which means you will gain sole ownership of the creation and capture beauty of artist and expression in its first. तो आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से भी आप इसकी डिटेल ले सकते हैं. So ये सारी information guys आपके लिए है. Especially you can get more details about it, about its benefits. Here's the types. So types of car, there's 4 types of car available here. You can see guys. The first common, then rare, then very rare, and then extremely rare. So there are 4 types of cars available. It's up to you what kind of option you want to get. So it's up to you. तो आप इस तरीके से यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. So you can see NFT percentages. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं plus 5000 कार्स यहाँ पे आपको available है. 40% common में, and rare में 30%, and next आप देख सकते हैं extremely rare में you can see 10%. And next, if you scroll down a bit here, you can see in our project we will have more than 5000 NFT from the most common to the extraordinary and rare. सो यहाँ पे आप जो है कॉमन से लेके एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी तक जो है आप 5000 NFTs इनके अवेलेबल है here we leave the percentage of the different cars and model so they leave the percentage I show you also here you can see once again I'm telling you you can see the common 40% and next you can see 30% is rare and next extremely rare so want to jump in extremely rare so here is the 10% available next very rare जो है वो आपको 20% पे जाएगा okay guys next here you can see guys आप देख सकते हैं the team so they have a very strong team who's backing up this project because without active and strong team and proper team none of the project can be successful so they are trying their best to improve the project and make the project successful so best wishes for this project also so here you can see the links are available once again I'm telling you and highlight these links because it's very important to study the links and let's see how much community they have on Discord and it's very important to join the Discord when join the Discord you will be satisfied to see the details what kind of discussion is going on in the Discord so it's very important to join the community so it's an easy process now here you can see the Far West Digital link here available for Discord and they have 445 members and 15 online still early stage as project goes further so its community will increase automatically so you can easily paste your username or you can join that to press on continue so it's very easy process to join that okay guys next here you can see the Twitter and Instagram is available so I will post all the links in description if you have any question you can click on that and get more information related to this project so guys I provide you all the details about it and I'm sure you will briefly understand related to this project and I told you all the details about that and you can easily click on the links and get more information and if you have any question I will be there always in the comment section you can join me there I will provide you all the detail related to this project and even you can join their community it's perfect for you if you join their community so thank you so much for watching this video guys and once again I'm requesting please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification because it's very important for you for upcoming videos so we will meet our next video till then bye bye